Nanaimo bars. Custardy butter, coconut chocolate. This oh-so-Canadian treat gets a makeover with some salted pretzels in the crust. First, the crust. Shredded coconut for a flavor and a nice chew. Smells so chocolatey. This just has to chill out in the fridge like a West Coaster while I make the middle layer. This middle layer starts off looking like a regular buttercream with butter and powdered sugar, but I have a secret ingredient. Here's the part you don't expect. Custard powder. It makes that middle layer custardy. I love this color. Beautiful yellow and so deliciously custardy. This goes on top of my chilled crust. I can't help myself. And this chocolate's got butter melted into it because that way the chocolate layer will stay just soft enough for me to slice and not set into a hard block of chocolate. Oh, I love this part. That is a beautiful sight. I shouldn't have to say this, but go for good chocolate. It's the star of the show on top of these Nanaimo bars. This needs to set again at room temperature to get nice and solid and ready for slicing. But luckily, I'm a baker and I have a lot of patience and nowhere to go. Ready? Aha, thank goodness for that parchment paper. Look at those layers. Oh, what a beauty. Those pretzels give such a great pop of salty flavor. And that custardy layer is so custardy. Is that even a word? I don't know, but it is a taste. And then chocolate on top. I mean, it's everything you could want in one bite. Mmm.